Welcome, young explorers. Have you ever wondered why zebras have stripes? Or how dolphins talk to each other? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going on a wild adventure to discover the most amazing, funny, and mind-blowing animal facts you've ever heard. From the deepest oceans to the highest trees, animals come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and every one of them has a special superpower. So grab your explorer hat, open your imagination, and let's dive into the awesome world of animals. Lions. The king of the jungle. Lions are big cats that live in groups called prides. They are known for their loud roars, which can be heard from 5 miles away. Male lions have big fluffy manes, while females do most of the hunting. Lions rest up to 20 hours a day. Fun fact: lions don't actually live in the jungle. They mostly live in grasslands and savannas. Elephants. The gentle giants. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. They have big ears, long trunks, and super strong tusks. Their trunks are like noses and arms all in one. They use them to pick things up, drink water, and even give hugs. Fun fact: elephants can hear with their feet. They feel tiny vibrations in the ground. Penguins. Birds that can't fly. Penguins are birds, but they can't fly. They swim. They live in cold places like Antarctica, and wear a natural tuxedo with their black and white feathers. They waddle when they walk, and slide on their bellies across the ice. Fun fact: penguins can swim up to 15 miles per hour. Koalas, sleepy tree huggers. Koalas live in Australia and love eating eucalyptus leaves. They sleep up to 18 to 20 hours a day to save energy. Even though they're sometimes called koala bears, they're not bears at all. They're marsupials, pouch animals. Fun fact: koalas have fingerprints just like humans. Dolphins, the smart swimmers. Dolphins are super smart and very playful. They live in the ocean and talk to each other using clicks and whistles. They can jump high out of the water and even surf waves. Fun fact: dolphins give each other names by using special sounds. Zebras, stripes with a purpose. Zebras look like horses with black and white stripes. But did you know every zebra has a unique stripe pattern? Just like a fingerprint, their stripes help confuse predators and keep them cool in the sun. Fun fact: zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour. Chameleons, masters of disguise. Chameleons are lizards that can change color. They don't always do it to hide. Sometimes they change colors to show their mood, or to warm up their bodies. They also have super long tongues to catch insects. Fun fact: a chameleon's tongue can be twice as long as its body. Bees, nature's little helpers. Bees may be small, but they do big work. They fly from flower to flower to collect nectar and pollen, helping plants grow. Bees live in hives and work together to make delicious honey. Fun fact: a single bee can visit up to 5,000 flowers in one day. Frogs, jumping amphibians. Frogs live on land and in water. That's why they're called amphibians. They have strong legs for jumping and sticky tongues to catch bugs. Some frogs can even change color. Fun fact: frogs drink water through their skin, not their mouths. Caterpillars to butterflies. caterpillars eat a lot and grow fast. Then they build a cozy shell called a chrysalis. They transform into a beautiful butterfly. This change is called metamorphosis. Fun fact: some butterflies can taste with their feet. Wrap up: from roaring lions to tiny bees, the animal kingdom is full of surprises. Each creature is special in its own way, and there's still so much more to learn. Now it's quiz time. Let's see how much you remember from your animal adventure. What do lions live in? Which animal uses its trunk like a hand? What do penguins do instead of flying? Which animal sleeps up to 20 hours a day? What special pattern do zebras have? You did an amazing job learning all about lions, dolphins, bees, butterflies, and so many other cool creatures. So keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop asking questions. Because every great scientist and animal expert started out just like you, with a big imagination and a love for learning. Thanks for joining this wild adventure. See you next time for more fun facts.